Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to use phone folded for one-hand use Motorola Razr 70. First, just fold your phone, and right now you can pretty much use it as any other phone, but first I have instructions. Okay. As you can see, you can, for example, open camera. You can open the Google. First, you need to allow for it. You can open messages, maps, Gmail, sync the calendar and weather, even call. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.